Tom Dede, Realtor in Tucson, Arizona. I've noticed over the last year that there are a lot of people waiting on the sidelines, waiting for interest rates to come down or for a crash in the market and waiting for that perfect moment. And I do think there are a lot of catalysts coming up, both a potential economic reckoning as well as a lot of economic stimulus and what will come of that, right? There's a lot of tension in that question. But I for one, genuinely believe there's going to be a big influx of buyers with a limited supply of sellers. And what does supply and demand theory tell us about that? I think prices are going to go up. The market's going to have its ups and its downs, but you can always refinance, you can always sell, rent. Having an asset that you can control the equity in, but only have debt on the principal is something that's particularly interesting in real estate. For instance, with a home that was worth $100,000 in 2018, on average in Vail, Arizona, that's now worth $200,000 or more. You owe the debt on $100,000, but you own the equity of another $100,000. That was a few years. Now, I don't suspect that to happen again in the next couple of years, but I do suspect that over time that will happen again. Certainly, if you look back on history, home prices over the last few decades, you can see a massive difference in pricing. Then you go back even further, and you're going to see that home prices have never been less affordable. Unfortunate fact, I think that trend is going to continue. The message I have for people is work your butt off. 2 jobs, get licensed, find something more in order to provide more value to people, because if you want more in this world, you have to ask yourself, how can I give more?